Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is barbaric. It's pronounced bar-ba-ric, and it is spelt B-A-R-B-A-R-I-C. Think bar, and then bar again, and then ick. Barbaric has two meanings. The first is savagely cruel or brutal. The second is primitive or unsophisticated. For example, you could say the police discovered a barbaric murder, or the cavemen were barbaric. Barbaric comes from the word barbarian, from the Latin word barbaricus, meaning foreign or strange. A barbarian is an ancient word for a member of a small tribe or community which was not part of the large Roman or Greek empires. They were foreign and often assumed to be primitive and savage. This is where the word barbaric comes from, meaning having the qualities of a barbarian. Barbarians possessed different cultures and languages to the Romans. They spoke differently, they wore different clothes, and ate different foods. Barbarians were not one group. They were lots of groups that the Romans and Greeks dismissed as barbarians. This included the Goths, the Vandals, the Huns, the Franks, and the Saxons. Barbaric is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, the explorers were killed by the barbaric, mysterious tribe. Barbaric is defined in the dictionary as extremely cruel and unpleasant, or acting or behaving like a group of people who are alien to another land, culture, or people, and who are usually believed to be inferior. Barbaric synonyms include cruel, brutal, barbarous, brutish, savage, vicious, fierce, ferocious, uncivilized, primitive, and unsophisticated. Antonyms include civilized, cultured, gentle, kind, nice, refined, and sophisticated. See if you can notice anything barbaric today. It's pretty unlikely that you will, but either way, impress your friends and family by using your new word, barbaric. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.